After the surprising revelation of the Apple logo's repositioning on the iPhone 17 Pro covered in detail in my previous article, iPhone 17 Pro, the Apple logo will change position. Here's why. All eyes are now on what this shift truly means for the MagSafe system. The logo has been gracefully moved lower toward the center bottom of the device, igniting not just design conversations but an entire wave of aesthetic evolution. This isn't just about visual appeal. Apple and its accessory partners are reimagining how MagSafe works in harmony with this refined identity. A trusted source from within the case manufacturing industry, with whom I closely collaborate, confirms that Apple and its partners are already developing elegant, forward-thinking solutions to bring this transformation to life. So what's really happening beneath the surface? The reimagined MagSafe magnet layout. Since its debut with the iPhone 12, MagSafe has relied on a finely tuned magnet array to align accessories flawlessly. But with the Apple logo now repositioned lower on the iPhone 17 Pro, the MagSafe magnets are being strategically shifted as well. This change isn't just technical, it's artistic. According to insiders, the new array features a central opening designed to keep the Apple logo front and center. Literally. This thoughtful tweak ensures the logo remains beautifully visible, especially through transparent cases, turning it into a focal point. It's a small but powerful touch that transforms the way the back of your iPhone looks and feels. Impact on accessories and user experience. While the shift is driven by design, it comes with real engineering implications. The magnetic field may need slight recalibration to maintain the same precision we've come to expect from MagSafe. However, early reports are reassuring. Existing MagSafe accessories will still work seamlessly. The newly introduced opening in the magnet array not only supports this aesthetic change but elevates it. It's about more than magnets. It's about ensuring every glance at your device feels premium, intentional, and unmistakably Apple. Industry reactions: a design renaissance. Case makers are already rising to the occasion. Several manufacturers are printing updated MagSafe rings featuring a clean central cutout designed specifically to let that repositioned Apple logo shine through. Transparent cases are being redesigned with precision cutouts that complement the new aesthetic. My sources confirm Apple itself is working on similar ideas, aligning its accessory lineup to this visual evolution. We're witnessing a rare moment where hardware and accessory ecosystems evolve in sync to serve a unified design vision. The meaning behind the change. This isn't just a repositioned logo or a tweaked magnet. It's a clear reflection of Apple's design philosophy, where beauty, precision, and practicality converge. The iPhone 17 Pro's new MagSafe layout signals a deeper commitment to visual harmony without sacrificing performance. It challenges the industry to innovate and inspires users to appreciate the subtleties of craftsmanship. This design shift is about showing the Apple logo with pride, bold, centered, and unobstructed, while giving users a sleek, uncompromised experience. Conclusion: a logo with purpose. The iPhone 17 Pro's logo shift and the revamped MagSafe system aren't just about looks. They represent a new chapter in Apple's design journey. One where every detail, every magnet, and every millimeter is crafted to delight. And for those who cherish the elegance of transparency, this evolution brings the Apple logo to life like never before. A new era of iPhone cooling begins, but not without challenges. According to an internal source, Apple is quietly preparing a thermal revolution for the iPhone 17 Pro. At the heart of this transformation is the long-awaited vapor chamber VC cooling system, a groundbreaking first for the iPhone lineup. It's a bold engineering leap, signaling Apple's growing urgency to tackle a critical issue: heat. But while the technology holds massive promise, early insights reveal that the design is still in flux and several hurdles remain before it can be fully unleashed. Vapor chamber revealed: what it is and why it matters. Leaked imagery of a pre-assembled thermal plate showcases a beautifully engineered copper structure with intricate microchannels, strongly hinting at the vapor chamber's role. This isn't just a new part, it's a thermal reimagining. The chamber is expected to stretch across the logic board and possibly even the surrounding modules, significantly expanding its cooling reach. Unlike the graphite pads Apple currently relies on, vapor chambers harness the power of phase change. Liquid inside the sealed chamber evaporates when heated, travels to cooler zones, and condenses back into liquid, creating a continuous thermal loop that draws heat away more efficiently than ever before. This system is built to keep the iPhone cooler even during the most intense workloads. 4K video rendering, console-level gaming, and now on-device generative AI. Why the vapor chamber is more than just a cooling upgrade. With the powerful A19 Pro chip pushing the iPhone into new AI territories, heat is no longer a side effect. It's a fundamental engineering challenge, and Apple knows it. That's why it's reportedly experimenting with lighter chassis materials like aluminum, which could improve heat transfer and allow better integration of the vapor chamber into the device's frame. The goal? To push heat away from the core and out through the structure, cooling the phone from the inside out. But not all is smooth sailing. Despite the excitement, our source issues a stark warning. The iPhone 17 Pro is still grappling with serious thermal concerns. While the VC system is technically impressive, its real-world efficiency is under scrutiny. The heat generated by the next-gen chipset and AI workloads may still be more than the design can currently handle. This may explain Apple's interest in a uniform, wide-area heat spreader, something it has never before used in an iPhone. It's a sign of just how urgent the thermal crisis has become. A strange design choice. Why the camera gets hot too. One detail that raises eyebrows is the unusual extension of the vapor chamber toward the camera module, a region not typically known for intense heat. This suggests a dual purpose, not just cooling but leveraging the metallic camera frame as a passive heatsink. This hybrid cooling strategy shows Apple's ingenuity, using every available surface, including structural components, to radiate heat outward and keep performance stable. A break from the past, the iPhone 17 Pro's vapor chamber marks a definitive shift from older designs based on graphite layers and thermal paste. This advanced system is expected to remain exclusive to the Pro and Pro Max models, which have the internal real estate and the thermal pressure to justify it. The standard iPhone 17 variants will likely continue with conventional cooling setups. What it could mean for you. If Apple pulls it off, users can expect smoother gaming and AI use without overheating, less thermal throttling under heavy loads, cooler device surfaces during long sessions, better overall energy efficiency. But the caveat is real. If heat isn't properly dissipated, it may pool in undesirable zones, affecting both comfort and performance. The vapor chamber is powerful, but it's not a silver bullet unless every component works in perfect harmony. Final thoughts. A risk worth taking. Apple's decision to introduce a vapor chamber in the iPhone 17 Pro is a daring step, a signal that the future of mobile performance hinges on smarter, more aggressive thermal engineering. It's a leap toward a cooler, faster, AI-powered iPhone. But as of now, it's still a work in progress. The design is evolving, the challenges are real, and the stakes are high. Apple is pushing boundaries, but only time will tell if this ambitious new cooling system can live up to its promise when the heat is on. Apple is preparing to shake up its iconic iPhone design with the iPhone 17 Pro, and it's more than just another hardware tweak. For the first time since the iPhone X, the Apple logo is being relocated in a bold new position. Instead of sitting just below the camera module, it's now heading further down toward the center bottom of the device. This discovery, confirmed by direct contacts within the case manufacturing industry, signals a fresh chapter in Apple's evolving design language. One of our trusted partners who specializes in crafting accessories for the iPhone 17 Pro lineup has revealed they're already gearing up for production with this new layout in mind. Let's dive into why Apple is making this move, what it means for you, and how the industry is responding. A logo redefined. Why Apple is moving it. Back in 2017, with the launch of the iPhone X, Apple bid farewell to the home button and embraced a full-screen OLED design. As part of this transformation, the Apple logo was subtly shifted lower to balance the larger camera housing. Now, with the iPhone 17 Pro, the logo is moving even further down, closer to the device's center bottom edge. Why? It's likely part of Apple's broader vision to create cleaner aesthetics and align the logo more harmoniously with next-gen hardware, especially the redesigned camera system. This small yet significant shift could redefine the visual identity of the iPhone, while reinforcing the brand's unmistakable presence. Early ripples. What this change means. This redesigned logo placement isn't just a cosmetic update, it's a ripple that could stir the entire accessory industry. Moving the Apple logo down may disrupt Apple's MagSafe system, which relies on precise alignment for charging and accessory connectivity. Some case makers are sounding the alarm, concerned that their current designs, especially those showcasing the logo in transparent cases, may need urgent revisions. Stock has already been produced based on the previous layout, and many manufacturers are holding off on announcements until they receive final confirmation from Apple. Designing around the change. Transparent cases and MagSafe. In response, accessory makers are brainstorming innovative solutions. Transparent case designers in particular are reworking their blueprints to ensure the logo remains visible and aligned without compromising MagSafe functionality. Apple is reportedly testing new designs too, such as clear cases with repositioned cutouts or internal structures tailored to the updated logo placement. While opaque and colored cases are less affected, the transparent case category, a favorite among Apple fans who love to flaunt that logo, is at the heart of these design shifts. Industry strategy, cautious but creative. One accessory producer has confirmed they've paused production entirely while waiting for official confirmation. Why? Jumping the gun could cost companies thousands in wasted materials and confuse consumers eager to accessorize their next iPhone. Most industry players are now monitoring the situation closely and preparing flexible solutions to adapt quickly once the design is finalized.